How to save Instagram photos and videos in gallery. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to save Instagram photos and videos in gallery. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram app on your device. Sign into your account. Tap on your profile icon at bottom right corner and then navigate to three-line menu icon at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and then look for your app and media section. Select archiving and downloading option. Scroll down and make sure that you locate save original photos and save history to gallery option. Toggle the button on and this will automatically save the unedited photos and videos taken with Instagram feed camera to your camera roll, and this will automatically save your story to your phone's gallery. And with that, you will successfully save Instagram photo and videos in gallery. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.